Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee bladder injury compensation claims. I'll be taking a look at whether you can claim, how to claim, and how much you may be entitled to if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in an injury to your bladder. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. From road traffic accidents to medical negligence and even workplace accidents, bladder injuries can be sustained in such a wide variety of accidents. But if you've sustained a bladder injury through no fault of your own in an accident that was down to the negligence of others, you may be entitled to compensation. So, how do you begin the process of claiming for a bladder injury? Well, in order to bring a claim for an accident resulting in a bladder injury, we recommend that you reach out to a no-win, no-fee solicitor that has experience in dealing with bladder injury claims. Now, the good news for you is that we are happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to use our soft tissue injury compensation calculator in order to give you a good idea of how much compensation you may expect to receive, as the figures that we'll shortly be going over will only cover the compensation amounts for your injuries only, and do not include any additional sums for things like loss of income from time off work or any other expenses that you may have incurred because of the accident which caused your bladder injury. Now, following this consultation, we will talk through your bladder injury claim with you. If we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there won't be any upfront fees, and most importantly, if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, as promised, let's take a look at injury claim amounts for bladder injury in our compensation claim amounts table. In front of us, we have the table for injury to bladder compensation claim amounts, and for cases involving double incontinence, namely loss of both natural bowel function and complete loss of urinary function and control, together with other medical complications, you could expect to receive anything up to £146,840. For complete loss of function and control, you could expect to receive anything up to £112,100. And for serious impairment of control with some pain and incontinence, you could expect to receive anything between £51,000 right the way up to £63,720. Then finally, where there's been almost a complete recovery but some fairly long-term interference with natural function, you could expect to receive anything between £18,660 right the way up to £24,950. I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.